In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password Moomoo app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and what to expect, so you can update your login details quickly and confidently. First, open the Moomoo app and head to the Me or Profile tab. This is the personal area of the app where your account options live. If you don't see Me or Profile right away, look for your avatar or a profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in, find and open Settings. This is where Moomoo groups all of the controls for your app experience and account preferences. Inside Settings, select Account and Security. This section focuses on your identity, protection, and sign-in tools. Here, tap Change Login Password. This is the option that updates the password you use to open the app and sign in. You'll be prompted to enter your current password, followed by your new password, and then confirm the new one. Type your old password carefully, then create a new one that's strong and memorable. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easily guessed. When you confirm, make sure both entries match exactly. If the app offers password strength feedback, use it to refine your choice. After submitting, wait for the confirmation on screen. That's it, your login password is now changed. Here's an important clarification that trips up a lot of users. The login password is the one you use to open the app and access your account. The trading password is different. It's the additional password you use when you buy or sell stocks. They serve different purposes and they can be changed separately. If you also need to update your trading password for added security, remember, it won't change automatically when you update your login password. Look for the trading password option within the same account and security area when you're ready to handle that separately. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your device is connected to a stable network before you start. If you've turned on biometric login, like Face ID or a fingerprint, those will continue to work, but they rely on your updated password in the background, so keep it somewhere secure. If you ever forget your current password, use the app's password recovery option on the sign-in screen instead of guessing repeatedly. That's the full process. Open Me or Profile, go to Settings, select Account and Security, tap Change Login Password, and enter your old password, new password, and confirmation. You're all set.